the elevator at the what again?
Holiday Inn Express.
Holiday Express. Okay. Want to go up to 4? I know it's a little slow, but it's okay. Sometimes local elevators are kind of very slow. I like the arrows. Going down. Fourth floor. Okay. Elevator vending. Okay.
Going down.
Yep. Take a look at this. See, oh, whoops. It's late. It's okay. It's okay. It had going down red arrow, down arrow, but the up arrow was green and that side. And I even looked between because there's no like hole between, so it's only like one door. It's a very nice elevator. Ah, but the beeps are loud. Oh my gosh. Whatever, it's okay. Not so top floor. First floor.
What kind of elevator is this?
We're at 1.
Oh, it's a Mowrey.
Oh, do you remember you saying that?
I've never seen one like that. A Mowrey elevator.
Okay, I'm going to put it
Going up.
I'm going to put it to 3, but it's a drop.